Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everyone's doing great out there. Before I begin, please make sure that you hit subscribe down below and hit the little bell to be notified of my future uploads. I appreciate everyone that does this. Today I have 3 gels from Born Pretty store, and they all come in a box like this, sealed. The bottles are sealed. You'll need to use a tool to open them, and they're all 10 milliliter bottles or 0.34 fluid ounces. And this is one of the boxes of the colors if you'd like to take a look at the ingredients. I have 2 from the Iris Purple Gel series, Fleshy Dream, and the other is Imported Queen. And I'll put the item numbers and the links down below. I'm going to swatch these 2 colors out, and then I have a cool effect topper type of gel. So this is item number 42871 and it's color number 2. Purple. It's deeper than baby purple, but it's still a purple. You won't want to cure it for at least 30 seconds in your lamp. Okay, this is item number 42871 and it's color number 12. Same series, same link, but a different color. This is a deep purple. See, I am way out of practice at doing this, so excuse me. I should have used a base coat or buffed the nail first. That's how you do it on your natural nails, but I like to save some product when I'm doing this. I'm going to give these both a cure. Okay, both of them are cured, but definitely you need a second coat. You always need a second coat just to make sure your color is protected well. I keep wiping off my brush a little bit too much. I am so out of practice. I'm sorry. I'm gonna just cheat and do it this way. Nice coverage with just 2 coats. Back to the second color. I've got a little baby here trying to say hello. Hello, YouTube world. He loves colors. That's why I haven't been filming. Somebody just loves colors of gels. He liked my clear gels. I got him off of that so I could keep my overlay on, but he loves colors. I can't get him. He's right here. So let me give these a cure. Say hello. Hello, everybody. I'm not quite 2 yet. Yeah. Oh. I love to be on camera. Okay, that's 2 coats of the 2 colors. I'll put the item numbers on the screen and the links down below in case you would like to purchase them. I have 3 other colors sitting out here just for more effect of the top gel. This little guy wants to keep, he says, don't make me move. He wants to come over here and touch all my colors, which is not safe to be touching gel that's cured but not wiped off. This is Model 1's Green Apple Paradise. This is Model 1's Pink Pursuit, and this one is Model 1's Aqua. I'll put links below. I believe my Born Pretty code is NOI112. My Model 1's discount code for you guys is NOI15. And what I have today is another one from Born Pretty. It's eggshell gel. I've just cracked the seal. I still have the plastic on the bottom, but I wanted to see what this was, and I wanted to try out a variety of colors. So I know what it is from the picture, so I know that it's like glittery and stuff, but you can't really see it here. But you'll see it when I put it on these nails. I'm going to show these 2 without the topper, I think. I don't know. This one's without the topper. We'll just put top coat on it and that's be it. I just don't think it'll match unless I get to going and it seems to match. My little baby is still here. He says, I want to eat the gel. Gel looks good. Gel's not good, baby. Not to be eaten. And it's been sitting here for several months. I just with all of this going on, it's just been impossible to really film. I'm sorry. I do miss it. My little girl misses it. But my little boy's just not used to it yet. My first babies were like about 4 or 5 years old before I started this. I'm not really sure now. Sometimes you have to go in and get, I'm trying not to do 2 coats, but I'm thinking for full effect I'm going to do 2 coats. And let's try it over this purple. See, a little darker color, you won't get the same effect. Is it effect or affect? I always get that mixed up. Starts with an E or an A. And give them a cure in the lamp. Okay, I'm going to do a second coat real quick. And you can always play with it and move. If you have too much in one spot, you can always move it, add a little bit more, whatever you like. You can always get out a dotting tool, toothpick or something, and move one of these little dots around. Only thing I would like this to have been a different color brush, just so that we could see where the dots were at. So I will give these a cure. I will top coat it with Born Pretty's top coat, and I'll give you some reveal pictures at the end. I think I'll stick with these 4. And this one will be in a separate photograph. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Thank you Born Pretty for sending me these beautiful colors and items to play with. There has been PR samples in the video, just so that you're aware. I'm wearing a PR sample on me. I'll try to link the video for this color down below. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.